Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another Bookaroo unboxing video for you. Let me adjust my lights a little bit so let's see if there's not so harsh. Sorry, I'm filming with lights, but my tripod's a little in the way. Okay, so I did an unboxing video, I think it was back in July with Bookaroo. I have partnered with them, and so they gave me a coupon code so I can show you the books that are in their book subscription kit. The last one I did was Face to Face with Valentina, and this one I'm just kind of doing an overview from my desk like I usually craft with. So let me know which view you like better, because I'm going to be getting another box in this next month, or actually this month, because it's the 15th you get them. And I want to do whatever you like better to see, but I have her sitting with me so she can help me unwrap them. So remember, they come, you can have 0 to 3 are board books, which I get Valentina. If you want to get picture books, they have picture books available, and then they also have chapter books for your older kids up to 10 years old. They all come individually wrapped, if you remember me describing that. And there's a little card to tell you what the books are about already for us parents. And remember also that the books are picked out by, it's run by 3 sisters, and the panel that choose the books are families that are on, I want to say Harvard, but it could be Stanford, one of the top ones. So there's a lot of conscious decisions that go into choosing the books that are in the boxes for our children. So this month it was considered, this month's picks, what does it say? So I'm going to get one that says More Than Balloons, Foodie Babies Wear Bibs, and then Lion's Lullaby. Oh no, that's the picture books. Oh, and Look at Me, I'm a Robot. So it gives you a little synopsis and then activities that you can do with the books as well. So like I said, each month there'll always be individually wrapped. How adorbs is this with the kit, and that way your kids can unwrap them and have like a special treat all the time. Remember, my coupon code is Taina557. I'll leave it linked down below. You'll receive 50% off your first box. And then, so it makes it, if you get a board books, I already know it, it makes it $9.95. Okay, and then you can get them subscription, and then they'll come every month. So it's really good, and that way you don't have to go shopping for books like I love. So the first book, this one is the Foodie Babies Wear Bibs. It's a nice little small, this is the smallest one of the picture books. Miss Valentina's right with me. It's a nice big font with some really pretty illustrations. Okay, so it looks like there's always an illustrated on the right with the text on the left. Cute. Okay, so that's the first one. Foodie Babies Wear Bibs. Then this one, actually, you know what? I shouldn't have ripped it as, oh no, I saved it, did it pretty well. I collaged the last one. You remember the last one that I had? It had Doxy wrapping paper, and you know I have dachshunds, so it's kind of ironic that I had that I saved it in order to use it somehow in my memory keeping. This one's cute. It's like a craft and white stripe, but they honestly wrap these so well. I kid you not, like they're tight. It's good. So this is the Look at Me, I'm a Robot book, and there's a hole cut out. I'm sure that's some sort of interactive, yes, aspect to the book. So nice big primary color pictures going on here. Very cute. So your eyes can go into them, I guess. Yeah, and the nose cut out. So I'll enjoy reading this to Valentina. And then the last one that means will be the More Than Balloons. A nice polka dot coral paper. I mean, I kid you not. Hey, no, I don't want you to ruin that. I want to keep that. Whoever wraps them over there wraps them really well. It is tight. And a good tape. Okay, and then here's More Than Balloons. Nice little illustration of bunnies. Okay, oh, it's a sweet little book. Sorry, my lights are really harsh right now. And they're balloons. Oh, this is sweet too. Okay, 2 cute little stories. Oh, look how cute that illustration is. All right, so those are the 3 books that we got. in this box. I will leave the link for Bookaroo down below. I will leave my coupon code down below as well. Remember, it is a subscription box. These are the books in this box. And Valentina is going to probably put them straight in her mouth. All right, so for the this month's book, let me know down below if you just like this quick overhead view of the books, or if you like seeing me and the baby. I'll do whichever version you like better, but I gave you some options now that you've seen both. This one's just easier to do as well. She's just sitting on my lap, but really sweet little images. I love growing her library, I swear. And like, we just put down a new rug, a little area rug in her room. I do have her book corner. And I need to get like some IKEA shelves probably for her toys because the collection is growing. But she is definitely able to handle them as she picks it up and sit with them right now too. Even though she does get, let's be honest, she puts them in her mouth, the corners get soggy. It's inevitable. Till next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.